Hey,
by that truck.
fire alarm inspection 2.
I said I like that black. I don't like flat
Hale
black.
Farms Farmers Market. And you probably guessed it, Trenton, New Jersey. I don't see any. There must be some weird ones here because I just found this. And the carbon monoxide fruit detector. Pass. Hey. I knew they had them somewhere. I had a feeling they had something because there's a BG12 right there. Well, anyways. Hard to see, but device number 2. This one's a horn strip.
You can go back now.
Let's see, I got it back and let her look at it. Right there.
Do you need a bag or you can sit here?
Yes, I
Right there. Well, anyways. Pass. Spectralert advances. Wall mount, speaker, and horn. Pass. Maybe you and not Trenton. That was all for inspection number 2. If you didn't see inspection number 1, Costco, we were there earlier today, but it may have not been uploaded yet. That was all for inspection 2. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in another video. Bye, folks. Thank you for watching.